Alright, I just picked through these beans. This is the next morning. So I put them in a colander down here, strained them from all that water. I'm just picking out these little shells that came loose. And dumped them into this big pot here. Aren't those beautiful? Look at all the colors and it's just gorgeous. Wow. Anyway, so I'm going to add like 8 cups of water to this. And then all my meats, and I'll show you what that looks like in a minute. And as soon as these beans come up to a boil, you want to turn that down to like medium and take the lid off and put your meats in there. I've got meat I'm cutting up over here right now. So we got to go ahead and get that meat in there. I've got honey ham right here, and we're going to get a couple of medium Italian sausage links that I had in the freezer. I'm just going to take and slice these open and cook them up like that in a skillet. I got the cast iron skillet heating up. Just lay those bad boys open. Quick score on the back side so they don't curl up on us. And that's that. Get them in the skillet and get rocking. Got our onions here. We're going to get a quick sharpen, just little, get the burrs off of here. I just want to put a quick edge on this knife here, real, nothing fancy. Once we get a little something there, we want to get some diced onions. The quickest way I know to do that is with a sharp knife and just boom. So that all the hard work is out of the way for us and they're magically diced and sliced. Now some of you might find this a little odd and some of you are going to find it amusing, I'm sure, but I love fresh ginger root and I always keep some around. It freezes really well. I just use a vegetable peeler and peel it like you would a potato, and then I just keep going with that. You can do it like and take off nice thin shards like that and toss it in with your beans. You can slice it up. It's really hard to cut, but it can be done. Use the old three finger method. Slice it thinly with a sharp knife, then you can dice it up, you know, however you see. And that, my friends, is the sound of progress and the look of progress. I'm going to hurry up and get that garlic out of there before it burns. We don't want it bitter. Look at that goodness. That's just one sausage right there. So I'm going to go ahead and fetch that other one out of the... Yeah, don't do this at home. That is wicked hot. You don't want to do that at home. See the steam coming off that bad boy. But anyway, I'm used to this shit, so doesn't bother me. Get it into like bite-sized pieces. That's all I gotta do. Boom shakalaka. Make them a little smaller if you want. You can take the skin off, I know. Some people do. Me, doesn't matter. Well, there you go. I'm going to go ahead and get that in because that's going to add some extra flavor to our beans. We go ahead and snatch the lid off. This sucker's hot. And this is on medium heat with the lid on it. So we've got the ham, we got the sausage, the onion, the garlic. We got all this in here. And at the end, at the very end, we have 2 super secret ingredients. I'm going to go ahead and cover this back up. Medium high heat, and let it go for about another hour and a half, and we'll be back. Well, in the name of honesty here, I didn't want anybody to think I was pulling a fast one. I just slipped in a bunch of cumin, or cumin, however you want to pronounce it, and I'm putting in diced tomatoes. So that's a 14.5 ounce can, which translates into whatever the hell that says. I can't read it. Of course, my phone's ringing, but Probably a telemarketer, scammer. But anyway, get these diced tomatoes in here like that. And get this lid back on here. Look how gorgeous that is. I mean, gosh. Is that pretty or what? All that ham, sausage, and... look at that. I'm hungry already. It smells delicious. The whole house is just wonderful. Oh, those super secret ingredients. Yeah. Lemon. I don't want to get any seeds in there from... You want the juice of a whole lemon. I don't have that much. I've got about half a lemon worth of juice here, but basically that's what you want in there to get some freshness, get some vitamins, some good flavors. And then I'm going to take the rind and I'm going to get that in there too. And the last final super secret ingredient, that's right, the ham flavor packet. Gotta have it, man. You gotta have it. This is Hearst Ham Bean Super Secret Flavor Packet. I'm just gonna incorporate that in here, and the heat is off. See, I put these lemons right in there for a little bit, and then I'm gonna fish them out. I know it's weird, but you can also hit this with grated Parmesan cheese, like on the top individually in your bowls. Shake it on. This is off the heat. Everything's turned off. It's gonna cool down. I'll fish out this lemon and lemon peel, and that's it, man. Serve it up. You can make rice with it, or you know, put this on top. But this is good with a hunk of bread and butter. Look at that right there. Nothing wrong with that, folks. A little bit of toast, some butter. I'm gonna hit this off right here with a little bit of Classico Parmesan Reggiano, Parmesan Romano and Asiago. That is the, oh, I love it. I'm gonna hit that off, hit this off, a little bit of Lowry's garlic powder on the toast, and a little bit of garlic salt, just a touch. I like the herbs in there. Get that on it. Bon appetit. Oh, and save some for a friend. How cool is this place?